Hi, my name is Hannah Foley and I will be presenting my poster on autism spectrum disorder. What is autism spectrum disorder? It's a disorder that affects neurological and social-based means of processing information, impairing executive functioning. It affects how individuals think, feel, socialize, learn, and experience the world around them. Students with ASD may struggle to connect with their peers on a social and emotional level, and their nonverbal communication can be misaligned with social occurrences and interactions. They can demonstrate repetitive behaviours such as stimming, tapping, banging, fidgeting, hair pulling, inattention, and hyperfocus. Every child with autism spectrum disorder exhibits it differently. They can be your gifted and talented students, though that talent may not be in the traditionally academic sense. The student's social and emotional needs have to be met before learning can take place. Students with ASD can become overly emotional or aggressive from current or past stimuli, and what works to calm them down one day may not the next. They may be particular with where they sit, what stationery they use, their positioning in the classroom, etc., which affects the transition between subjects or classrooms, especially when teachers allocate seating for a particular reason. Teaching students with ASD. One practice that teachers use to teach students with ASD is the use of visual timetables. Visual timetables are important in the classroom for students with ASD because it allows them to visualize the concept of time and routines that occur in the past, present, and future. In the morning, students may help in setting this up so they get a rundown of the day prior to learning taking place. It can be represented in Velcro picture format, symbols, or in a table that should be referred to throughout the day. This helps manage stresses and anxiety of executive function deficits such as attention span, sequencing events, and short-term memory. It's important that this is also gone over with the rest of the class. Organisation is key to teaching students with autism spectrum disorder. Having a desk with specifically coloured books for each subject, their own pencil case or stationery, labelled desk organisers or boxes for subjects will assist teachers to help students with ASD to manage their learning. Consistency and routine are key. The use of traffic light timers is another way to help organise students as it gives them visual representation of time and how much time they have left to complete certain activities. It can help in managing transitions in the classroom by explaining that when the timer goes red, it's time to pack up. Another practice that would be included is the use or creation of a sensory room or space that can specifically be tailored to meet the needs of students, creating a controlled environment with certain sensory experiences taking place. This is important to know because sensory processing disorder is common among students with ASD, and these students have difficulty regulating their emotional and physical responses to stimuli. By controlling sensory input that can be aligned to fit students' needs, it creates a safe place for them to self-regulate and an area for de-escalation to occur if necessary. Examples of what to have in sensory rooms are beanbags, rocking chairs, therapy bowls, interactive whiteboards, and weighted blankets. Thank you for listening to my presentation.